Here, welcome to all my dear students. Myself, Dr.J.K.Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen chapter first, Office Manager, duties and responsibilities of Office Manager. Today, we are going to learn goal setting. So, let's start with the new topic, goal setting. Concept of goal setting. The business organization should have written goals, the part of their business plan. The goals can describe the company plans in terms of market share, growth, and profitability. Goals also be set for internal measurement like expanding staff. Business should to have goals are specific, measurable, relevant, and timely. Goal setting is an important activity for ensuring the appropriate performance. The top management is responsible for driving the goal setting process. Goal setting is simply an organized personal planning process. It is a reliable method for identifying what you as an individual want to achieve in the long or short term. Importance of goals. The most people are to achieve the success. Even they are capable for the simple reason they never set goals for themselves. Goals represent expectations, hopes, and dreams. And to the extent our goals are achieved, we are the successful. Goals are a place we feel that they have the purpose. They motivate, give us pride of achievement. When we do not finish, we are started. We feel the frustrated. It is an important to have specific target or goals will give you something to work. Most of us, the busy and span of our time running, the trying to minor day-to-day task. In this slide, now we will discuss the setting goals and achieving them can help us in the following ways. The various points is here. So first point is focus. Goal setting can help to focus and how to more productive and get more in a day. The goals are behind the activity and they get clear perspective want to what we really complete. Thereafter next point is goals give us direction. They need to identify clearly direction of his final destination. Direction provides the purpose of reason to monitor our progress. The goals have the benefit of accurately and identify of the direction. Thereafter, next point is confidence. The goal setting have very positive and impact on individual. His goals will quickly notice and the improvement in his her confidence level. Next is goals make life. Goals help individual to work in smart way. They increase productivity, making our lives easier. Thereafter, next point is goals help us go faster. The destination is known as get to it faster. Time spent on laying down the goals 1,000 times. And the last point is goals create the satisfaction. The achievement is created when the goals are set and they achieve. The individual learns and discovers his own strength and teaches the more about his weakness. Goals give the direction in all areas of life, personal career. Goals gives a purpose to life and reason get to early in the morning and go to bed at night. Not having goals, it's similar to a ship across without a map. An individual can see forward progress in what might previously have seemed a long, pointless grind. SMART goals, SMART. The goal should be specific enough to that we know exactly what we are striving, measurable, so we can tell exactly when the goal has been reached. Action oriented. The first is S for specific. The success for goals that is specific and to the point than a general goals. Goals should be straightforward. What you want happen. Specific help us to focus our efforts and clearly define what we are going to do. Next is measurable. This criteria should be established for the measuring profit towards the attainment of each goal that is set. This is important because you measure your progress, stay on path, and reach your target. How many? How will I know when is accomplished? If you cannot measure it, you can't manage it. Usually, there are several short-term or some measurement into the goal. Next, A for attainable. The most important goals are identified as the goal setter. They should try to identify ways to achieve them. Planning correctly and establishing the time frame allow you to undertake the necessary steps and to achieve the set goals. Then, when the goals are listed systematically, you build your self-image and see yourself as these goals are for relevant. A goal must be represent an objective towards which you are both willing and able to the work. This will make the goal more realistic, as the goal setter are the only one who can decide how high or low the goal should be. Goals. However, every goal should be progress. Next, T for time bound. Each goal should have a time frame. There is no time frame. There is no sense of commitment and urgency. A set date should be given to every goals. Everyone will be benefit from goals. They are smart is the instrument to apply in setting your goals. Thank you.